To load a tune into the original version PowerVision, launch the PowerCore software, make sure you're logged in, and launch C3. You'll then want to go to the PowerVision tab and make sure the device is completely up to date. That is in a different video. To load a tune, we're going to go to the home screen. And now, if you have a tune on the computer, just simply select Open, choose the tune, open it into the software. When the tune is open, it'll show the tune file name in the upper left-hand corner so you can verify the tune is open. We'll go to the PowerVision tab, Send Tune to PV. It's going to show you the 8 custom tune slots on the device. Choose any of the slots you'd like to load it into. If there's anything in that slot, it'll be overwritten. Once it shows it's saved to the device, you're all set. You can disconnect from the computer, take the PowerVision to the bike.